Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.